But do y'all see this day 7 hair though? What? Body? So as you know, this is my day 7 hair from my previous wash day where I used African Pride's Moisture Miracle collection. And girl, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this hair? Do y'all see this hair? Because I see it and I love it. No, but for real though, African Pride did what they had to do. This is day 7 hair and it just looks so big and beautiful and still hydrated. There's moisture coming off on my fingers. My hair is still defined. I do have some frizziness. But frizziness is also adding to the body and to the shape, okay? And I am rocking with it all the way 100%. So African Pride, my hair is literally loving this collection, you guys. So really quick, I just want to talk about my favorite products from the African Pride collection. And the first one is the pre-poo, you guys. Y'all know how I felt about this. I talked about it in my quarantine wash day episode 4. Just how much this product made a difference. Starting out with moisturizing and hydrating your hair before you shampoo. This pre-poo was everything, you guys. I promise you, for less than $5, this product, it's so well worth it. Like, I love this. I love this product. I will marry this pre-poo, okay? I will marry it. The next product that I really loved was the Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. So much hydration and so much definition. Literally, this is like it's a thick cream, but once it dries, you get that lightweight bounce and definition and hydration. You guys, Moisturize and Define is the perfect adjectives for this curling cream. I'm telling y'all, do not sleep on this African Pride Moisture Miracle collection. Like I said, less than $5. So when I did my hair, the last step that I did was I applied these 5 essential oils, which has castor oil, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil all together. And this definitely helped lock in moisture into my hair, you guys, because it's day 7 and my hair is still so hydrated. I can still feel it on my fingers every time I touch my hair or rub my hands through my hair. I still feel like product coming off, which is how I know my hair is still moisturized and hydrated. This oil definitely did the trick. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like literally 5 different oils in this tiny bottle, y'all. Come on, stop playing with yourself, okay? Love. So those are my top 3 from this collection, and I love my hair results going on day 7. So if you have tried the Moisture Miracle collection, comment below, let me know your favorite products, and let me know what you guys think about my day 7 braid out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in quarantine wash day episode 5.